When it comes to completing any job perfectly, it's important to have the right tool at hand. And Flex is such a brand on which you can rely unhesitantly, no matter what the project is. So now, let's see some amazing Flex power tools you didn't know exist. Removing grout or cutting drywall is one of the toughest jobs every handyman continuously meets. This is the Flex Brushless Drywall Cutout tool that boosts up their productivity while providing constant power and runtime throughout the entire day. With a supreme speed of 28,000 RPM and adjustable airflow vent, it allows you to achieve the best outcome. Plus, the standard collet diameter and built-in LED make actions way more convenient. The best thing about this tool is the efficient Flex battery that holds 20% extra power to ensure 25% longer, enriching work rate like never before. Before you fill up the arsenal with a bunch of tools, you better go for a storage system first. Maybe this Flex Stack Pack storage system will back you up with great impact and all-weather protection. The Flex Stack Pack offers safe and secure exterior storage and has customizability that keeps your tools well organized. The coolest part of this system is the Stack Pack ready attachments, gas strut hinges, and customizable bit cases. You'll no longer have any complaints about your storage's capacity. Quick connect, latches, and detachable handle are the other pros worth saying. Thanks to the 9-inch rugged all-terrain wheels, even the worst roads can't stop this guy from being moved. Oh, you need to cut some hardwoods now, but your old circular saw is about to stop working permanently? No problem. This 24-volt sensor-free brushless motor provides up to 2,500 watts of power and 6,200 RPM of speed to tackle big jobs. It's a control-freak cutting tool that slices up 3 lumbers in a single pass, so there will be no lack of power during your busy workshop days. Plus, the sleek ergonomics magnesium footplate and guard's exceptional runtime all stand to make sure you get ultimate performance from this cordless guy. Hanging sheet after sheet may take too much effort from you, but this Flex Drywall Screw Gun won't let you go the extra mile while doing them. Wondering how? Well, it comes with a magazine attachment that cuts half of the working hassles. It provides superior speed and includes colted screw attachment to maintain maximum productivity on the job site. Despite having a compact size, it offers continuous power, extended runtime, and unmatched efficiency. And the tool-free adjustment, LED work light assists you in the toughest situations. It's probably not a good idea to have both hands busy at the same time. With this true One-Handed Reciprocating Saw, you only need minimal effort from your one hand to get a quick cut on lumber, copper pipe, or whatever else the project throws at you. This compact and lightweight tool provides a 1-inch stroke to deal with tough materials. Plus, it comes with vibration suppression and lets you eject blades without any key. Comfort you've always wanted, power your job demands. No wonder you need a mud mixer when it's time to get the reliable consistency of concrete, mortar, or stucco mix paste. Seems similar to a sports car steering. This Flex mud mixer delivers the desired power, comfort, and control to quickly mix anything for your job. First thing first, it has a superior dual-handle design and provides a supreme speed of 530 RPM to mix things pretty fast. You'll be able to increase the mix control with 3 individual speed modes, maintaining a perfect balance between job to job and mix to mix. You need the super nut-busting power that your car maintenance job demands, right? Then you should get your eyes on the Flex Brushless Impact Wrench that delivers up to 1,150 pounds of unrelenting torque for the toughest applications. It offers you vibration suppression facilities, allowing you to complete jobs like a pro. It also produces up to 2,000 RPM of speed to easily go through tight situations. With a convenient bolt removal mode, compact design, and 3 different speed modes, you can rely on this impact wrench unconditionally. Bringing accurate shapes and curves in the wood material isn't a piece of cake for everyone. That's where the Flex Barrel Grip Jigsaw comes in handy. It simply cuts with ultimate precision and control, no matter how difficult your designs are. It's a versatile jigsaw that offers you 4 individual speeds and auto mode alongside. Want to know a fun part? It allows you to eject the blade with a single touch. Other pros of this Jigsaw are the cut line blower and built-in LED light, which allows you to take on any project with full confidence. Finally, let's not skip the dual roller guide of this barrel grip Jigsaw. Now you can maintain professional grade on every job. A hammer drill is your best mate when you're about to penetrate wood, metal, concrete, or other hard and tough materials. Here is the 2-speed hammer drill from Flex, which has a special turbo mode to complete tasks in a faster way. Thanks to the super speed and unrivaled torque of this hammer drill, nothing can withstand in front of it. And the dominating impact rate of 40,000 IPM, advanced anti-kickback technology outshines itself as a great choice for demanding hammering occasions. This hammer drill delivers similar power to a corded one while having the most convenient cordless appearance. Let's end up today's list with this variable speed angle grinder. First, it has a paddle switch that offers you next-level advantages around your job site. Delivering an unmatched speed of 10,000 RPM, it grinds materials in a blink of an eye. And the slim ergonomic design of this grinder makes it a top priority for pros. One of the best things about this grinder is the one-step guard adjustments, so you don't need to lose extra minutes behind it. So that was the list of the amazing flex power tools you didn't know exist. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.